Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to this video. This video is a review of two coins from the London Mint. Now, during the early part of 2024, January and February of 2024, the London Mint has been doing adverts on places like YouTube and such like about these particular two coins. And they said the gifts to the nation, so you pay the £2.50 postage and packing for each particular coin. Now both of these show Charles III, and they're both dated in 2024. I know that one's 2024. What about this one? Oh, this one is actually dated 2023, but has been extensively advertised just recently. Now this 2023 coin is actually, they're both Gibraltar coins, and this one is actually showing the portals at Westminster Cathedral, is it Westminster Abbey? This is a coronation coin celebrating Charles III's ascension to the throne. It is a very nice coin. I think it was based on the 50p that we had. So if you look there, we've got the doors to the Westminster Abbey, and you have the crowned Charles III insignia. So, which is what we had on the 50p. I'm not sure what all of these going around the outside. I'm not sure what these are. It doesn't actually, they're not very easy to make out. They're all crosses. So, do they represent the clergymen that took part in this ceremony? All the different clergies from all the different faiths? Because Charles had all sorts of faiths, as was his wish when he said many years ago when he was the Prince of Wales, I don't want to be known as the defender of the just the English faith. I want to be known as defender of the faiths. So, there were people from different religions at his service. I believe there was certainly one from the Jewish community. I believe there was also one from some of the Indian communities as well. I think the Sikhs were there, and there may have been many others as well. I can't remember exactly what they were, all of them. But this is a lovely coin to add to the Charles III, enthronement coins that are from around the world. It's as I say, it's based very much on the 50p that the UK did. Or there's a lot of design things that are similar to the way that the UK showed its 50p off, but it's still a lovely coin. I think it might be a crown. It's a half crown. So this is a half crown from 2023 from Gibraltar. The second coin is also a half crown from Gibraltar, but it's dated 2024. Again, it has Charles, and as can be seen on this, it's almost a mirror finish on the back of the coin. I don't think they're actually proof coins, but they are coins that have been made as celebratory coins or commemorative coins. This one here is to celebrate the 150th anniversary, I believe it is, of Winston Churchill's birth. And we have two particular pictures there that are probably well known. We have the picture, the black and white picture on the background here, which shows Churchill probably during the war years. He's got his Homburg hat on, and he's dressed very much in the 1940s style. Is it a Homburg hat? No, it may even be a top hat. I beg your pardon, it's a top hat. And it's in very much like a Churchill pose, where he's got his hands near to his hips and he's probably looking for his cigar or something in his pocket. The second one, which is in relief, almost like a mirror relief, is him in a later life, and is the one that probably most of us will know from the time when he was on the Churchill crown and things like that, and was the Prime Minister. It's very much the coin and very much what people think of when they think of Churchill, that sort of portrait. And possibly this is why that the £2 coin that came out in the UK annual sets this year was so derided, because everybody thinks, when they think of Churchill, think of this particular type of figure, him in old age. However, it's a lovely coin, and I do enjoy it, and I hope you do too. So these are the two coins that were from the London Mint. They're still available as far as I know, and they're £2.50 each. And they're not part of one of these that they do where they produce a set and ask you to buy into the set. They are standalone coins in their own right. When you do receive them, you will receive them in a package that has got other coins that you can do. Just phone them up and say you don't want the other coins to be delivered to you, and they'll stop from doing that. So that's the end of this review. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, could you please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are I'm looking to improve my subscriber level to 425 by the end of this year. I'm currently on around about 280 in early to mid-February, and so I'm looking for you to help me out. If you believe I've deserved it, could you please also subscribe to the channel. Having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, like I've just done with these two, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching and staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.